Ever feel like traditional banks are stuck in the past? Paper checks, endless forms, and limited online features, it can be a real drag. That's where neobanks come in. These innovative financial institutions are shaking things up, offering sleek digital experiences and catering specifically to freelancers and small businesses. One of the rising stars in the neobank scene is Qonto. With its user-friendly interface, expense management tools, and focus on automation, Qonto has become a popular choice for many. But have you ever wondered who exactly is behind Qonto? Is it a bank, a tech company, something else entirely? Today, we're diving deep to uncover the legal name of Qonto and explore the structure behind this exciting financial player. Buckle up, because things might be a little different than you expect. Beyond the brand name, the power of Olinda SAS. So, what's the legal name hiding behind the catchy brand Qonto? The answer might surprise you. Qonto actually operates under the legal entity Olinda SAS. Now, hold on a second, SAS? What's that? SAS stands for Société par Actions Simplifiée, which translates to Simplified Joint Stock Company in English. This is a common legal structure for businesses in France, where Qonto has its headquarters. Think of it like this: Qonto is the cool, customer-facing brand we all know. But behind the scenes, the legal and financial muscle comes from Olinda SAS. It's the engine that powers the Qonto experience, ensuring everything runs smoothly and compliantly. Here's a breakdown of some key details about Olinda SAS. Registered in Paris, just like the Eiffel Tower graces the Parisian skyline, Olinda SAS is officially registered at the Paris Trade Register. Licensed payment institution, Qonto might not be a traditional bank, but that doesn't mean it's unregulated. Olinda SAS holds a license from the French Autorité de Contrôle Prudentiel et de Résolution, ACPR, authorizing them to operate as a payment institution. Focus on security. Keeping your hard-earned money safe is paramount. Olinda SAS understands that, and that's why customer funds are safeguarded according to relevant legislation. Partnering with reputable financial institutions like Credit Mutuel Arkia and Natixis, they ensure your money is protected. Why does this matter? Understanding the legal landscape. Understanding the legal structure behind Qonto, particularly the involvement of Olinda SAS, offers some valuable insights. Here's why it matters. Transparency. Knowing the legal entity behind a financial service provider like Qonto fosters transparency. It allows you to research Olinda SAS, understand their regulations, and feel confident about where your money is held. Focus on innovation. The structure of Olinda SAS as a simplified joint stock company suggests a certain level of agility. This legal framework can be more flexible than traditional banking structures, potentially allowing Qonto to innovate and adapt faster to meet the evolving needs of its customers. Regulation and security. Olinda SAS, being a licensed payment institution, ensures they operate under the watchful eye of French financial regulators. This can provide peace of mind knowing your money is subject to strict oversight. Qonto, more than just a brand name. So, there you have it. Qonto, with its user-friendly platform and focus on small businesses, operates under the legal entity of Olinda SAS. This structure offers a unique blend of innovation, regulation, and security. While the brand name Qonto might be the one we interact with, understanding the legal framework behind it sheds light on the company's commitment to transparency, agility, and responsible financial services. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.